So up till now, operating drones was always done with a certain amount of fear, and that was essentially because of the strict rules and regulations in place and the heavy costs involved. But with the new drone rules which have been issued, operating a drone and owning a drone is going to get a lot simpler. Various approvals like a unique authorization number, a unique prototype identification number, certificate of conformance, certificate of maintenance, remote pilot instructor authorization, among several others have been abolished. So with the new rules, a lot of things have become much simpler as compared to the rules which existed for drones before this. Earlier, you were supposed to fill a total of 25 forms to get a drone. Now that has been reduced to 5. There were 72 kinds of fees which you had to pay to operate a drone before this. That has been brought down to 4. Also, when it comes to drones, the size of the drone also matters a lot. But the quantum of fees which was earlier associated with the size of the drone has been delinked, and this fees has also been reduced. To give you an example, there is a remote pilot license fee which needs to be paid, and that used to depend on the size of the drone. Earlier, it was rupees 3,000 for a large size drone. With the new rules in place, it's going to be reduced to rupees 100, and that is going to be the standard fee for all sizes of drones. Now, obviously, when you need so many clearances to operate a drone, you would have to go knocking on several windows. But no, with the new rules in place, the Digital Sky platform is going to be your one window for all clearances. There are going to be 3 drone zones, yellow, red and green, which are essentially going to tell drone operators where they can and cannot fly. The yellow zone, for example, earlier used to be a 45 kilometer zone around the airport perimeter. Now that has been reduced to 12 kilometers. So from the airport, if you take a 12 kilometer radius, beyond that is going to be a zone where you don't need permission to fly the drone. As per the new rules, no flight permission will be required up to 400 feet in green zones and up to 200 feet in the area between 8 and 12 kilometers from the airport perimeter. There will be no security clearance needed to get a drone license, and you can import these drones as well, but the import will be regulated by the government. As I stated earlier, the size of drone matters a lot, but with the new rules in place, the scope of these rules is going to expand beyond the 300 kg drone to a 500 kg drone as well. So basically what that means is that heavy load carrying drones and drone taxis can be a near reality. Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia also went as far as to say that just as we have taxis on the road, air taxis will also be a reality in the near future under these new drone rules.